Honorable Special Guest, Honorable Kwalmanyang Juk, Patron of the Day, Honorable Mamer Makuei Mamer, Honorable Special Guest, Simon Akwendeng, all protocol mafos. Alaija Panabor Ban Akurmajib Alaija Nabakondogim Agam Chin Gam Ban Chagam Zamande Banya Lija Manyok Inchitan Musulia Okibane Kuru Koi Panaduk and Chadon executive care. Kushia lady, flower girl. Ochikal, Koyapanaduk. Where Tiogo Wachijalon and your Wachila Panaber Ubuko Bugala and Bugala Jokto, Buchan Bugol. Ayogu Koyapandu, Koyapur County. And Nonga Dunde. Naga no dunde lakin ko jaichen wagi honorable quality we Simon Makuei ko didon chichen panda o chichen apia run ke kedia ayu ko uruti chibane dor kene bo chendom ko bugu panda bugu chachala twen bugu nong dor e kam ko wan chiogla panda ber one manya kujade kujawan garwich okiche na chula nyo kulelo go korbuche we lani junu Sudan achinga ko unity na toko unity ko okunam development ufiza beto na to fees ka ba ele blatwen kuna yo nyintit kubuguru da loy created insecurity ka ba na chila twen so our time co generation Shabamu Bor County in Banton Agog in challenge with supporters Katona Agog Aya Korba Louis Elijah Manyok in a Kabi Wage and Dom Kabi Baila train. So missing the Koyduk I will from today in Elijah. I have many flower girl Kushabama executive Duk Mamer Makuei Ogulu way Kokunong Corporation Obi Ogachan Apiat Wait at the ledge. Thank you.